Hello everyone, welcome to the channel UMathsTube. We are going to solve two more word problems today. Let us start with the first problem. Problem number 1. A game needs a code to unlock a door. The code equals number of minutes in 1 week. What is the code? We know 1 week equals 7 days, 1 day equals 24 hours, and 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Therefore, 1 week equals 7 times 24 hours, which equals 168 hours. But each hour has 60 minutes. So we get 168 times 60 minutes, which gives us 10,080 minutes, which is the code needed to unlock the door. So the code is 10,080. This is the end of first problem. Let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 2. The average weight of 3 friends is 29 kg. So from this average age, we can get the total weight of 3 friends, 29 times 3 kg. So if one friend leaves and a new friend with weight of 31 kg comes, the average weight increases by 3 kg. So when the new friend comes, the average weight becomes 29 plus 3 or 32 kg. What is the weight of the friend that leaves? So the total weight of first 3 friends is 29. This 29 times 3 or 87 kg. The average weight of 3 friends with the new friend becomes 29 plus 3 or 32 kg. So from this 32 kg, we can get the total weight of the 3 friends, including the new friend, and the total is 32 times 3 or 96 kg. But in this 96 kg, it has the new friend and the previous 2 friends. So total weight of 2 friends that do not leave is this 96 kg minus the weight of the new friend, which is 31 kg. So 96 minus 31 equals 65 kg. But we know the 3 friend has together 87 kg, including the friend that left. So, and the weight of 2 friends that did not leave has 65 kilo. So the weight of friend that leaves equals the total weight from the total weight of 3 friends, which is 87, minus the weight of 2 friends that did not leave, which is 65 kg. So 87 minus 65 is 22 kg, which is the weight of the friend that leaves. So this is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll solve some more problems in coming videos.